Welcome to Accelerator pedals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily test your 2001 Hyundai XG300 and 2002 through 2005 XG350 accelerator pedal sensors. This is the power supply. It takes 3 AA batteries. Line them up like this. Use some copper wires at the edges and attach the positive and negative wires at the ends. Verify that you will have about 4.5 volts coming out. That is close enough for testing to the 5-volt system in your car. To set up your pedal, you're going to connect up a multimeter set to 20 volts in the battery you just created. You connect the positives from both of these to the top pin over here. Then you're going to connect the negative from the battery to this second pin, and the negative from the multimeter to the third pin. The fourth and fifth pins will not be used for testing your pedal. Once you do this, it should be reading around 3.7 volts in the idle position, and as you turn the pedal sensor itself, it should stop at about 0.1 volts or completely at 0 volts. You are checking for both spikes and glitches during the test. So after the first setup, you're going to disconnect the cables and you're going to connect the positive from the battery in the multimeter to this bottom pin like this. Then you're going to connect the negative from the battery to this second from the bottom pin, and the negative from the multimeter to this third pin. Once you do that, it's going to be reading about 0.5 volts in the idle position, and it should, when fully pressed in, stop at about 4.1 volts. And again, you're both checking for spikes and glitches during your test. So what will this look like? Here, our expert is pressing in on the pedal and letting it come right back up. And as you can see here and here, it's doing exactly what it needs to be doing. And if it's not doing what it's doing, it's got a spike or glitch to it. Check out our links below to see whether or not if you can want to buy one or not. Thanks for watching. Bye.